I implemented a system in which a drone sends images from its video stream to a convolutional neural network, and that network looks for a person in the image. The neural network is a pre-trained model from the TensorFlow Object Detection API, and the drone is a parrot mambo mini drone. I wrote a Python program which controls the flight of the drone, and that program makes use of a really great Python module called PyParrot. The drone sends images from its video stream to my old MacBook, which is now 8 years old. So it takes a long time for the MacBook to process an image and decide whether or not a person appears in the image or not. So I start the drone up here. I put the drone into search mode here. The drone takes a picture and sends it off to the convolutional neural network for processing. I'm going to speed up the time here because my computer takes a long time to decide if it sees a person or not. That sound you just heard means the drone didn't find a person in the picture, so the drone rotates by 45 degrees and takes another picture. Once again, the drone couldn't find a person, so it rotates again by another 45 degrees and takes a new picture. Again, I'm going to speed the time up here while the CNN decides whether a person is in the video stream or not.
What is thy bidding, my master?
This time a person did appear in the drone's video stream, so the drone exits search mode and lands. So 3 times the drone sent an image from its video stream to the convolutional neural network, and that CNN decided whether the picture has a person in it or not. So here is the first picture the drone took. No people, there gets the table right and a book and couch. In the second one, there's still no person, just furniture. And in the third one, it misclassifies the door here as a refrigerator, but it does find a person, and here it gives an estimate of the distance the drone is from that person. And so once it's found a person, it exits search mode and lands.